Hey guys, Nate Doc here, and welcome back to Swamp Rabbit Trail. Now for today's video, we're going to do the section that is just above Unity Park, and we're going to head north and see what we find. So let's check it out. The one thing I love about the Swamp Rabbit Trail is that it's flat most of the way. It's very easy for people who have issues like me. I have no idea where this bridge goes, and I don't want to find out. Alright guys, that's all time out for now. Haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.